The author reflects on their enjoyment of driving the AT35, a large Arctic truck's interpretation of the Isuzu D-Max pickup. Normally favoring lightweight and less powerful cars, the author appreciates the imposing size of the AT35, which alleviates anxiety about fitting through narrow lanes and potential damage concerns. The size, appearance, and off-road capabilities of the vehicle contribute to it being a guilty pleasure. The author also mentions the environmental impact of driving a large diesel truck in contrast to the growing need for smaller, electrified vehicles in the future. Despite acknowledging the vehicle's limited future, the author appreciates the fun and memorable experiences it provided.